Brody here at Bonnyville Dodge, and have I got a vehicle just landed on the lot, one owner, 34,000 on this 2019 F-350 Super Duty Lariat. Did I mention only 34,000 on this diesel? Custom made iron bumper, powder coated on here. You have LED fog lights, cool light bar in the front here, navigation, leather seats, heated seats in the front, vented in the front too. You know what? Lift it up. There's a 4-inch lift on here. Red, black accents. And you know what? It's beautiful on the inside too. Come on down to Bonnyville Dodge and see what this Ford F-350 is all about. It's not black or white, because it seems like all the Fords we get on here are black or white. This one's red. So hurry on into Bonnyville Dodge, where we're family owned, community driven, and maybe you can drive away in this 1-ton right here.